Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Worm Gear Shaft lesson. In a new part, add a new sketch in the front plane and draw a horizontal construction line. Select the line tool and draw the sketch as indicated. Use a click, move, click method. Close the sketch with the last line. Add a collinear relation as indicated. Select the Smart Dimension tool and dimension the sketch as shown. Dimension the smaller features first. Add the double dimensions between the center line and the horizontal lines. Select the Revolve Boss command. Accept the default settings and click OK to finish. Rename the feature Base. Change to a front view. Select the front plane and add a new sketch. Select the Line tool. Use a click, move, click method to draw this sketch. Dimension as indicated. And make both arcs equal. Right-click on the indicated dimension and turn off the option Mark for Drawing. Select the Extruded Cut command. Set the end condition to mid-plane. Set the depth and click OK to finish. Rename the feature Keyway. Change to a left view. Select the left face and add a new sketch. Select the Polygon tool. Set the options and draw it from the origin to the edge indicated. Make a line horizontal. Click and drag the polygon to add a geometric relation. and select the Extruded Cut command. Set the end condition to Up to Surface. Select the face indicated and turn on the Flip Side to Cut option. Activate the Preview option to see the result and click OK to finish. Right-click on the material folder, click on the material folder, set the material to chrome stainless steel, and save the part as worm gear shaft.